Millbeck Cottage is a lovely contemporary cottage nestled within the prestigious Falls development in historic Ambleside. Inside you will find a super lounge and dining room with 2 sets of glazed patio doors leading to a viewing balcony which overlooks Stockgill Falls. There is a separate pretty country kitchen equipped with everything you might need. Then upstairs to the bedrooms, which are spacious, bright and inviting, with 2 luxurious bathrooms. Millbeck Cottage is just a stroll from the heart of vibrant Ambleside, where you will find a host of excellent shops, tempting cafes and highly acclaimed restaurants. Also within walking distance is Waterhead Pier, where you can take a steamer to Bowness and Lakeside and enjoy the beauty of this wonderful area from the water. Lake lovers, hand-picked for you.